In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Calendar in Carrd.co. We're going to keep this simple and clear. First, you'll grab an embed code from Google Calendar, then you'll place it into an embed element on your Carrd site. By the end, your calendar will display right on your page, updating automatically whenever you change events in Google Calendar. Start in Google Calendar. Open it in your browser and head to the settings area by clicking the gear icon in the top right and choosing settings. This is where Google keeps all calendar-specific options, including the code we need to place your calendar elsewhere. On the left side, find the section labeled Settings for My Calendars. If you have more than one calendar, you'll see each listed here. Select the specific calendar you want to show on your site. Choosing the right one matters. Many accounts have a default calendar plus additional calendars for projects, teams, or personal reminders, and only the selected calendar's events will display. Once you've selected your calendar, scroll down to the section called Integrate Calendar. This section provides several integration options, but the one we want is the embed code shown as an iFrame. An iFrame is simply a small snippet of HTML that displays your calendar inside another page. Copy the entire iFrame tag exactly as it appears. It already includes the correct link and parameters for the calendar you selected, so grabbing the whole code helps avoid formatting issues. Now switch to Carrd and open your site. Click Edit to enter the site editor. This is where you control the layout and content of your page, and where we'll add the calendar. In the editor, click Add Element, the plus icon, and choose Embed. The embed element is designed to host third-party code like the iFrame you copied, and it will render that content directly on your page. You'll see a field intended for code. This is where your iFrame content belongs, and Carrd will place it right in the layout so you can position and size it like any other element. A few quick tips as you finish up. If the calendar doesn't appear for visitors, it may be due to the calendar's visibility settings. Ensure the calendar you selected is allowed to be viewed externally. If the calendar looks too large or too small, remember that the iFrame code includes width and height values, and the element can be adjusted within Carrd to better fit your design. And if you don't see the events you expect, double check that you selected the correct calendar back in settings for My Calendars. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now seamlessly embedded in your Carrd site.